So in the 3D offset, this one is really cool. This is called 3D offset profiling. So what we did, we only selected one curve, okay? And as you can see, it's the same curve. It's just the same curve when we get to the top or the bottom. It doesn't matter where that curve is. It's just where it's aligned in the Z-axis of the part. And what this operation does, let's just take a look at it. So it allows you to set your cut pattern based on the curve. So we're going to do a zigzag cut pattern, and we're going to do cut both sides of the curve. So if you look at on this curve, so the curve is actually located here. So it's going to cut on both sides, one side and the other. The top side is going to wrap around this fillet, and the bottom's just going to, I'm not sure what the bottom's going to do. I guess it would wrap around down. We'll take a look at it again. So we're going to cut both sides, 1/2 inch. And again, you can adjust these to get the amount of wrap that you want. So let's just go over here and look at this again. Okay, so it is wrapping around a little bit further down than we really need. So you may want to, maybe 0.4 maybe would get better, but the 0.5 gets it all the way up to this fillet, and you can adjust that obviously. But what I'm getting at here is that this operation is a constant step over. This distance between the cut pass is the same here as it is here. So
it's a constant step over in 3D. So
yep.
what that gives you is maintains constant scallop height on the surfaces.
Yep.
Which will give you a really nice finish.
Mm-hmm. If you the only other way that you would do this in the standard maybe is either with parallel finishing, where you'd have only you'd have to rotate your cut patterns, or
you can't do it, Don.
Yeah.
You can't do it. Yeah. No, you can't maintain constant scallop.
I wasn't saying that.
Yeah.
It would. I was just saying the only other option you had is to use either the parallel finishing or the horizontal finishing. Horizontal finishing, as you know, as it gets more to the horizontal, the distance between the paths become larger because it's just slices in the Z-axis. So this really a good pattern here to use for this fillet, as you can see.